7.2. Okay. Here readings are what will be happen. These are the decrease in these values. Again, what will be happen? Here increasing these values, steadily increasing, here decreasing. These readings you have to take up to the initial readings. This is what that procedure of this experiment, that is a tabulation column. According to this observation column, here you have to got some values. That is what here these values are suddenly decreases. After that one, here some values are there which is steady increases, and here values are there it must be means what sharply increases. According to this tabular column, here nature of graph is there. What is that? Specific conductivity means this versus volume of NaOH. According to this tabular column, these are what here the values are must be means suddenly decreases here. Next steadily increases here, and next that sharply increases. What is that? This is what the nature of graph. And V1 and V2. V1 in the sense what is equivalence point of HCl, and V2 in the sense what is equivalence point of acetic acids. According to this one, go to the next part, that is calculation part. In this calculation, the given values are given, that is what normality of Na which is given, that is 0.5 normality. Next, volume of acid mixture means acetic acid and HCl mixture is 50 cm3. Okay, means mixing of both acids. Next, V1 value is given. This is what from the graph V1 and V2. What is V1 is 3.8 and V2 is 9.4 cm3 from the graph. So you have to calculation what here normality of HCl and normality of acetic acid. So here neutralization of HCl from the graph is given what here V1 is 3.8 and neutralization of acetic acid from the graph is given what here 5.6. That is what here equivalence point of HCl and equivalence point of acetic acids. Next we have to go to the calculation, that is the normality of HCl and normality of acetic acids. The normality of HCl is what? Here given a formula, that is N1 of sodium hydroxide into V1 means normality of NaOH into volume of NaOH divided by 50. So normality of NaOH is what? 0.5 into 3.8, that is what volume of HCl divided by 50. Its answer is what is 0.038 N. Next, weight of HCl per dm. What is the formula? Normality and equivalent weight. What is the normality? That is 0.038 normality of the what here HCl into equivalent weight, that is 36.5. This is what equivalent weight of this what HCl, and answer is what 1.39. This is Y. So last one, that is the weight of HCl by 50 cm3. What is that? Y divided by 20. Y means what here? 1.39 divided by 20. What is the answer? 0.069 gram. This is what normality of HCl and weight of HCl by dm cube and weight of HCl by 50 cm3. This is what normality of HCl is over. Next, normality of acetic acids. Normality of acetic acids is N1A NaOH, V3NaOH means normality of NaOH into volume of NaOH in acetic acids. So you given a formula and you are given calculation 0.5.6 divided by 50. Answer is this one. Next, weight of acetic acid per dm cube is, that is normality into equivalent weight, that 0.056 into 60. Answer is 3.36. This is say Z. And according to this one, the last one is that the weight of acetic acid per 50 cm3, Z by 20. Answer is 0.168 gram. So in this calculation, what is the important weight of HCl by 50 cm3? What is the 0.069 gram, and weight of acetic acid by 50 cm3 is what is the 0.168 grams. This is what answers of this calculation. So in this one, what will be happen? According to observation column, it must be means what? Decreases. Next, steadily increases and sharply what? Increases. And these are the graph. And this is the calculation part, and these are the results of a normality of HCl and normality of acetic acids.